Today, I want to show you how to take basic salmon fillets and transform them into a delicious dinner that's so quick, you can do it for a weeknight dinner, but so delicious, you can serve it to guests. The key to this dinner is the sauce. The lemon dill sauce is so delicious, but oh so easy to make. And you can make it early in the day. Actually, it's better if you make it early in the day and let it sit a little bit. Now, you don't need to run out and get fresh dill. You can use dry dill in this sauce and it will taste delicious as long as you're using fresh dried dill. The ingredients for your dill sauce are very simple. You need equal parts of mayonnaise and sour cream. And this is really a to taste situation, so you don't need to fuss over it, but I go with equal parts by sight. A nice fresh lemon, because you're going to use fresh lemon juice, none of that bottled stuff. Some ground black pepper and some salt. I use kosher salt. And when I said you can use dried dill, I mean dill that is nice and fresh looking. When you open your jar, you smell it and you can smell that lovely dill scent. At least an hour before your dinner time, or earlier in the day preferably, you'll take your equal parts of mayonnaise and sour cream, and to that add your dill. If you're using fresh, chop it and add it. I'm using the dried. I'm using a half a teaspoon of dried. So you probably want to use about a teaspoon of fresh, about a quarter teaspoon of salt, and about maybe an eighth of a teaspoon of black pepper. And then just some lemon juice to taste till you get to the thickness of the sauce. So I just start by just mixing the sauce with the lemon juice, salt, pepper, and dill, and keep mixing until you get to a nice saucy consistency. Taste along the way, making sure that you have the right balance of the salt, pepper, and dill. I like my sauce to be thick enough to hold on to the salmon, but not gloppy. Cover and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Here I have 2 pieces of salmon. This is going to be salmon for 2, but it would be the same for no matter how much salmon you are going to cook. For the grill, I make myself a little pan by taking 2 pieces of aluminum foil, about the same size. I fold them together. Just so that it holds the 2 pieces together. And then I just stand up the edges to make a sort of pan. Okay, how easy is that? Now I put a little bit of olive oil on the sheets of aluminum foil, and then I place the salmon on the pan. Now the reason that I do that is that I don't like the skin on the salmon, and so once this cooks on the grill, it will be easy to scoop that salmon right off of the foil, because the skin will stick to the foil and there's no mess, no fuss. Now I'm going to sprinkle with salt and pepper. This is kosher salt. It's a large flaked kosher salt. And some pepper. Looks pretty already. Now I'm going to lay slices of lemon. On the salmon. See how pretty that is? Next, it'll go on the grill at very high temperature for approximately 10 to 12 minutes until it's ready just to scoop right off the skin and plate up. Then I'll serve it with the lemon dill sauce over the top of it. Makes a delicious salmon dinner that will impress your family, even guests. Enjoy.